starting this Friday with the food art. These two are eyes, nose, and a smile, and the brain. What do you think of it? Share with me in the comment section below. Yeah, goofy Aparna. Hi, how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. So let's start this vlog with a muddy yet wet weather. Today is like very rainy and very bad. Time right now is 4:15. So let's start our evening routine, especially Friday routine is very hectic. As you know, Friday is a special dinner night for us. So let's make some yummy biryani and some chicken fry. And Boondi Laddu is on menu tonight. So let's get started. Can you see that air coming out of my mouth? That is like, what do you say? It's cold, yet it's warm. It's a mixture of both things. So let's get this evening started. I'm making Boondi Laddu for this week's dessert. See, 3 are already ready. Very tasty. It happens once in a year, that's it. So let's make it. Want some laddu? Delicious laddu. Do you like Boondi Laddu? We love it. So it happens really once a year, but we love it. We do enjoy it when I make it. So let me make it. And I know for pretty sure that this will be gone within this weekend. Right, Sumi? One more with cashews and raisins. It's going to taste awesome. Look at all the chaos that is going on in my kitchen. Do you do this or I'm the only one? I make so much mess in my kitchen when I'm cooking, but obviously I have to clean up. That's another story. Right now curry is happening for biryani, and then we'll make our biryani. Too much mess. My yummy chicken biryani is ready. Look how delicious that looks. I'm ready to serve dinner. Chicken curry is happening. And this is it for Friday night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Have a great Friday. Good morning. Starting my Saturday with this beautiful nail polish on my nails. Anyways, let's get this day started. Time right now is 10 o'clock and I have to make some videos. I'll get ready and show you my outfit probably. I'm wearing a saree today, so I'll show you that. So let's get ready. So this is my saree outfit. How is it? I'll show you my makeup in a minute. And my makeup, simple, nothing too fancy. I love the way it looks on me. My saree is simple saree that I bought a couple of years back. I don't know the material, so don't ask me about the material. But I do love this color and love how it looks on me. And here is my outfit. Hello, just washed off my makeup, as you can see, clean and nice. Anyway, time right now is 10:30, as you can see from the watch. I still have to wash a lot of dishes, like I'll show you. I have loads of dishes to wash from lunch and dinner. Just finished dinner. I need to wash the dishes. But house became calm. Everybody went to sleep and yogurt is ready for setting, so I need to do that too. So what are you doing this Saturday night? So I just was thinking, I started using new makeup. Let me change to my face. I started using new makeup just from today. So I will do tomorrow, sometime tomorrow when I get time, I will do a quick first impressions on what I'm using and tell you if it's worth your money or not. Do check it out until the end of the video to see that clip, and let's call it a night. Good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. It's important to protect your hands, so let's wash the dishes. Good morning, happy Sunday. Time right now is 9:10. Nobody woke up and I'm already prepping for lunch. Dal is boiling for sambar. I'm going to use raw tamarind to make my sambar today, and I'm going to add boiled eggs and bottle gourd for my sambar. And breakfast, this is Costco muffins. So this is how I'm starting the day. So let's go, let's complete our half an hour of work and then my family will be awake. Simple lunch ready for Sunday. Bottle white sambar with papad and hot rice. So before I end this vlog, I wanted to show you what I'm using new and what are my first impressions about this. These are not any way related to my reviews. If I like a product that is really good, I will do a review for you to decide whether you want to buy it or not. So let's get into the video. First is Maybelline Super Matte Lipstick. This is like really, you can say, first use itself, I can say it's really the bomb. I loved it. I loved the shade also. Shade is 80. I hope it's clear, but it's really pretty color. I'll show you it. It was deep red, as you saw in my video probably. Look at that color. It's like so beautiful. I loved it absolutely. And the next product is Hard Candy Triple Highlighter. Just Glow Highlighter. It's okay. I didn't feel like wow. Maybe after using like couple of times I can say wow, but right now it's not wow for me. Next is number 7 Lift and Luminous Foundation. I used it for the first time this weekend and I felt like it didn't provide too much of coverage. It didn't hide your imperfections or anything. I apply only one layer, so it didn't do that for me. Maybe if you build up it will do, but it came out beautifully glowing, at least in the photos, and my real face also looked really glowy. So I would say like I liked it. If I love it, I'll definitely do a review on it. This is another product. This is Parsley primer, Elixir you can call it. It's an oil. I'll show you. I loved it in my first use. I used only one time. I never thought like I will use it again. Like I will love it so much, but it's really beautiful and it sits beautifully on your skin. You should give it a try. This is soon going out of Sephora. So if you want to try it, you need to try it like buy it right now. Otherwise you won't be able to buy it except on their website. I don't know if it will ship internationally or not, but this is like a really good product. Do try it. I don't know if my review will be very late for this product, so that's why I'm telling you, do try it if you can get your hands on it. I used ELF setting spray for the first time. What I thought in first use is its spray is too powerful. It sprays at one place. I didn't like it that much. Maybe continuous use will change my mind, but I'll see. This is my favorite product. I have been using this over the years. After a gap of 2-3 years, again I bought this and I still love the same. This is the first review I think I did on my YouTube channel, and I absolutely love this product. Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. It's beautifully sets under your eyes and it's beautiful. I bought this Essence lipstick thinking like it will be really beautiful. First of all, it's my mistake. I don't like anything glowy. I don't like lip glossy kind of things. I'm too much not into it. So that's the one negative. And the color itself is very light. So if you apply it, it doesn't feel like you applied anything. I'll show you. I didn't like that part. Maybe if I choose a different one, it would have been beautiful. But this one, I didn't like that much at all. I'm sorry, Essence. I thought like I really love it. Maybe I'll start loving it in few days or whatever. But right now, I didn't love it. This is Natasha Denona Blush Glow Dew, and this comes with blush and highlighter. I absolutely loved it in my first use. I wouldn't say like wow, but it definitely impressed me. If I liked it too much, I will do a review for it. This is it. These are the products I used like in last 1 week, and Wet n Wild lip liners are always there in my makeup kit because they are cheap and they work. That's it. There is no other way around it. So this is it for this video. If you do like my videos, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'll be back with a new vlog next time. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.